Welcome to Widiopedia, the world's first video encyclopedia. Nitrogen is a chemical element of the 15th group of the second period of the periodic law with the atomic number 7. It is one of the most widespread elements on Earth. Out of the planet bounds it can be found in gaseous nebula, solar atmosphere and in some planets as Uranus and Neptune. Because of it, nitrogen is considered to be the fourth element among the most widespread in the solar system. Nitrogen is essential for existence of plants and animals. It forms part of proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids, hemoglobin etc. Under normal conditions, nitrogen is a colorless gas which doesn't have any smell and slightly soluble in water. Its density in such condition is 1,2506 kg per cubic meter. In liquid state it is colorless and movable liquid like water. The density of liquid nitrogen reaches 808 kg per cubic meter. When it has a contact with air, nitrogen absorbs from it oxygen. The discoverer of nitrogen is the Scottish physician Daniel Rutherford, who discovered it in 1772. He called it noxious air. However, he did not recognize it as another chemical substance. Later he clearly distinguished it from Joseph Black's fixed air, or carbon dioxide. This element was also studied by Carl Wilhelm Scheele, Henry Cavendish, and Joseph Priestley. They referred to it as burnt air or phlogisticated air. Thank you for watching. You can find and upload your own scientific videos at our website widiopedia.com.